Good evening, friends. Welcome you. We welcome you to another analysis session of Bank Nifty. On behalf of Catalyst Trading Institute, warmly welcome you to this session. So, friends, interesting session today. In the morning, we were looking at long. By the time the expiry set in, we were looking at a short, right? The view yesterday very clearly was Fin Nifty will grind you at the beginning of the day and in the second half will give you a move, right? The same pattern happened. Fin Nifty actually ground people down in the first half. Second half it gave couple of moves, right? Given it is expiry 30-40 points move, typically move your premium to get you 50-60-70% profits. We had a good day, not a very good day, not an outstanding day by any stretch of imagination. Our pre-market open stock was a rocket. Our first call was good. We had one SL. Fin Nifty couple of calls went well. The live session, right? Interestingly, there was a switch from we were प्लानिंग टू टेक अ सी बट वी मूव टू पी. वो स्विच बहुत ही हमने इंपॉर्टेंट टाइम पे किया और आज इम्पॉर्टेंटली हमारा जो सेटअप था वो हमें लाइव देखने मिला. फाइनली मैंने कहा ये स्ट्रैडल एंड स्ट्रैंगल दोनों, एक्चुअली ये ऑप्शन सेलर का डे है, दोनों साइड जीरो होगा एंड वैसा ही हुआ. Now, if you look at this daily chart, friends, you can see Bank Nifty is looking range bound for the last 6 to 7 days, right? If you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, right? It has given no movement, right? Should I short the market here blindly? No. Am I saying that there is a formation of double top here? The answer is again no. Right, I can see many people are now gone on to social media saying that this could be formation of double top, selling is coming, so on and so forth. No guys, if you see crucially here, right, none of the swings are violated, right? The only difference now from couple of days back is I am now inclined more to sit neutral, right? Why am I neutral? As I mentioned, there is a volatility contraction, right? Market has got good supports at 43,680. Tomorrow if I see a gap up I will be worried, a gap down I will be happy, because then these supports will get triggered, right? So for tomorrow my plan is simple, right? I am going to look at first 15-minute candle. Typically I am looking at these supports now to be confirmed in the market, right? A gap down, see there is a breakdown of the trend line generally, right? There are two areas where a trend line breakdown helps. One is immediate, right? There's an immediate block, then there are all decisional areas, right? Personally for me the swing actually is at this point 42,800, right? So for tomorrow I am not expecting a deep cut, at least the market is not suggesting anything. I would like to take, if it opens gap down below this level, I want to see if 43,500 680 is being protected, and then is market willing to go up. Flat opening would mean sellers would actually come in and pull it down. Gap up opening, sellers would come and pull it down. Gap down opening will be good for us, right, if we are looking at buying the market, right? So spot chart currently is very neutral, we don't have any view there. So let's look at what pulled the Bank Nifty down, right? HDFC, right? I was saying this since morning, this looks like a culprit, but interestingly now just 3 rupees below, right, HDFC has a support. Kotak again was at a support, it continued confirming the support. Kotak between 1915 to 1911 is a support, right? ICICI was bullish, but the last selling which came has brought it down to support. So again ICICI is at support. So these three trades, these three important components are at support. Axis Bank, we were looking at 911. If the breakdown happened, it has taken it. Tomorrow, right, if these levels of 910 are not broken, it can again go up, right? For me, looking at these four components, I am compelled to sit neutral in the market, right? SBI actually went up, confirmed a support. If you see, there is a trend line breakdown here, right? It's a trap, a move by SBI. Personally, I am expecting this to reverse from 578 or 576, right? So this along with HDFC and ICICI are prime candidates to take the market up. Friends, IndusInd, right, I had said whenever it breaks out it will give a quick 18 to 20 point move. IndusInd has done that and it's now holding at the top. this stock also is forming a good bullish pattern. In my mind, tomorrow if bank nifty supports, this can also go up, right? Again, if I look at the components, neutral to bullish is my view, but I would not like to buy at a breakout. I would rather prefer to wait and buy it at support. This all area is support. Ideally, if I get it at cheaper rates of 43,600 and 82,700, I would like to buy it for the targets of 43,880 and 43,950, right? In case there is a short side trade, I will update it in the group and I will come back to you guys, right? The point of confusion in this case is VIX, right? If you see, VIX actually had couple of wild moves and then it has settled somewhere in between. For tomorrow, I have to wait and see if VIX is going above 13.06 or is trading in this level. Typically, volatility is associated with panic, right, or selling. Now, right now, it's exactly in between. There are no cues in the market. Personally, we are not seeing anything which can topple the market down by big movement, right? Coming to option chart, right, this is interesting because everything else is pointing to a neutral territory. This one, right, is actually not suggesting a neutral story. So for tomorrow, 43,700, which is not an institutional strike, but this is the closest one. Any gap down or any move down in the option, I am looking at supports in 274 to 254 area. If I get this trend line breakdown, if it confirms the support with small SL, I will play it for the targets 348 and 443. Interestingly, for put, there is a round, so there's a J hook pattern which is being created, right? If you see this J hook pattern, it's a very interesting pattern. Typically this signals a sign of reversal, right? And this is the mouth of the hook. Ideally, if there's a gap up and this particular option starts trading between these levels 175 to 157, I would look at a breakout and then my targets will be first target will be 209, second target will be 251, third target will be 291. So friends, market is poised in a very interesting manner. Options are telling a different story. Spot chart is saying that there is a breakdown, but there is a support which can be confirmed down. Components are neutral to slightly bullish, right? They are not bearish now because they are touching their support zone. In a bull market, right, you always expect supports to kind of hold, and we are expecting those to be actually providing, as in they will not allow the market to fall, right? So tomorrow looks interesting. Keep your eyes open, be ready to trade on both the sides. We will have to sit neutral. I will try to come live, I cannot promise. Today we had a good run. We hope to continue this run in the bank nifty options, right? Signing off for today. Hope everyone has a great day. We'll come back tomorrow. Thanks.